Alright, so sige, I'll try to make this as quick as possible, and also dito pa lang sa simula kasi hindi ko sure, baka may ma-spoil ako given na sobrang daming ganap dun sa video na baka ika-spoil pag we review it. Ngayon pala sinasabi ko na hindi mo pa napapanood pre, wag mo na napanoorin to para safe. Pero technically review lang dapat to pero baka kasi may masabi ko ganun kadaming pwedeng ma-spoil dun sa movie. So one thing for sure, alam naman natin na fan service siya, meaning marami talagang mga cameos. Alam naman natin na gory, alam naman natin na yung language mataas, R16 siya. Alam naman natin na even dun sa trailer may blasphemy tungkol kay Lord, kay Jesus. He's calling himself Messiah and so on and so forth. For them it's a joke, and for those people na wala nakikita ang problema sa mga ganong bagay, they will just, I think mataas yung magiging ratings ng film na yun. They would might rate it 8, 9, 10 ganyan. But for me, out of the gate na lang, ang rating ko is 7.5. It's not because of bias ko naman ganito. No. Cinema wise, yung choreography ng mga fight scenes ay sloppy. Cinema wise as well, we know it's comedy, so ganoon talaga, hindi yung fight scenes na titignan mo pero even though para bang walang effort, okay, okay. So yeah, my choice of music sa ibang transitions na hindi okay. May mga parts din na parang story wise medyo pilit, like yung villain of the film is a very villain and because of that, yung the way na natalo nung team, yung villain, it's pilit siya para lang matalo yung villain, parang ganun lang. So may mga ganung film, maraming ganyang film, tapos syempre nostalgia, ganito. People would hype on it. It's hype, it's fan service, madaming mga what may mga ganung moments pero it's almost made me cry because of the cameos. And for people who've nasimbaybayan ng Marvel, even nung wala pa silang studios, even when nung Fox owned specific Marvel titles, you would actually hindi lang Fox marami pa iba, and so many fourth wall breaks. So yeah, they enjoy it. Honestly, medyo ito yung tipong film na hindi ko kaya panoorin ulit. It's for me, just for me, it's too much gore. For me, it's not my cup of tea. But yung mga cameos, yung mga Easter eggs, yung mga callbacks, it's nostalgic. It's very nostalgic, and for that sense na enjoy ko siya. Yes, it's not comfortable for me, pero I cannot give the film a low score just because hindi ako komportable. I need to be subjective, or rather I need to be professional in terms of giving it a review. So yeah, yung sa transition, yung sa music, saka yung sa fight scenes, yung medyo hindi but the acting of the actors are really top notch, especially the cameos, and yeah, yun lang. Hindi naman ang sikreto maraming cameos maraming cameos, yun ang masasabi ko. And may mga part na pilit, yun ang masasabi ko. But yun kasi talaga yung Deadpool so Deadpool being Deadpool, pwede mo pang pilitin din na 8 or 8.5 yung score, pero if you go to the point na film, it being a film, 7.5. So 7.5. So ang ganda naman na. Please, huwag kayo mag-post ng any spoilers sa comments para yung mga hindi pa nakapanood ay hindi ma-spoil. And hindi ka agree sa review ko, that's fine. Comment it down below. Kaya iba talaga tayo ng opinion. Is it the best Marvel film this year? Hindi ko lang actually, hindi ko na nasundan ko alam yung Marvel film this year, but one thing for sure, it's not my best film. Siguro sa mga napanood ko na yung isa yung How to Lead Ministry for Grandma Dies, I think that would be one of the, and yeah, yun na lang, doon na lang muna tayo. Pero yun, yeah, para hindi lang haba tong video, hanggang doon lang. And ingat as always, and be guided by God in all things, and yes, revere Him, exalt Him. As always, take care and go na.